most mines closed over 100 years ago, there's still a fair amount of pollution caused by them, and so the aim of the project is to reduce the impact from those mines for the benefit of the environment as well as the economy.
The Nenthead site, it was part of the Nenthead Mines. I think for quite many years it's been fine. I think some large storms started to erode the bank, sort of bringing the water in contact with the mine waste, and obviously then that releases the diffuse metal pollution into the watercourse. The solution we've come up with there is to put a line of Gabions, which are stone-filled baskets, to stop the water eroding the toe of the bank, and then that also allows us to regrade the slope and prevent further material slipping into the river as well. So again, it's providing another long-term solution to the problem. The bank has become home to a colony of sand martins who sort of dug their nests into the sandy bank. This was in risk of being sort of washed away as well and them losing the habitat. So as part of the works we're providing sort of an artificial sand martin habitat as part of the Gabion wall, which again will provide sort of a long-term home for them when they return in the spring.